Assembling a Mr. Jiang model dog mannequin from Cutz Grooming is straightforward. Lay out all the elements to make building easy. First, drive in the screws in the legs. We need to do this so the screws stay in place and make assembly easy. A few turns are enough.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you.
When all four legs are pre-fitted with the screws provided in the bag, you can start by attaching the front legs to the body, followed by the rear legs.
Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you.
Do not over-tight the screws, as this could damage the model body.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
When you finish attaching the legs, you need to push the tail piece into the body.
You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you
Have fun and cute cuts.
midnight.